Shopify blog tutorial. Shopify for beginners. Are you looking to create an e-commerce store? This video will help you discover the power of Shopify, teach you how you can create a blog in a matter of minutes. Now, as you can see, I've already logged in or signed up to my Shopify store. Once you've done that, you are good to go. Then what you need to do is just simply come over here underneath the sales channels. You'll see online store. You can go ahead and pick a theme of your store, customize it however you feel like it. So currently the default theme is going to be done. To create blog posts is click on blog post right here. It is password protected, but that doesn't matter. You can go ahead and remove it by coming over here into the settings sections, and you can remove the password by just simply clicking on remove password over here. It'll take you to the preference section. You can see the password. You can go ahead and remove it or change it however you feel like it. It depends on you. And then just hit save and you should be good to go. But as you can see, I have to pick a plan for that since I am already on a trial. So we'll just discard that and we'll go back to blog post. Now over here, we'll just simply click on create blog post. We'll add the title, the content, the excerpt. We have our search engine or SEO. For the title, we are going to be adding this one right here, indoor gardening tips for beginners. Choose the hidden as well. Then we want to add the content. Add that here. I've already written it pre-hand, so you don't have to worry about it. You can just simply go ahead and follow the steps and you should be good to go. We'll add a enter. We'll add a paragraph title like so. We'll add that here and we'll also make this bold so that people can see that it is a paragraph. Then we'll add the description as well like so, and you should be good to go. Now I think you generally get the idea. You can go ahead and add more stuff to it. You can add another paragraph, add another content, stuff like that, and you should be good to go. Then what we need to do is we need to add the excerpts, right? It should be a very small and eye-catching. So for that, I think we'll just go with the opening title as well. So embracing the green language's tongue. I think this would look good. So we'll just copy that. Just simply go ahead and paste it right here. That should be good to go. Those are our excerpt. We can see the SEO as well. Then what we need to do is we need to add tags, then add a featuring image as well. So to add that, we'll just simply add an image. We have it right here. So let's go ahead and add it. I already have one right here. I generated using AI. Also add the image text as well for better SEO and optimizations, but I think this should be good to go. You can also edit the image and update it as well. It is a little bit different because it's not aligned with the borders, but I think it should be good to go. Then you can add tags as well, just gardening, stuff like that. Once it's done, you just simply go to edit website or SEOs, and over here you add in the title, a description, and then you have the URL and handle. Over here you'll make sure that the entire URL is good, nice and simple, not too big as well. After that, you should just simply click on save and you should be good to go. Now it is visible, so let's go ahead and click on preview. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. We have an image right here, and then we have our blog down below, title, then we have a description, paragraph if we had it, and if we wanted to add more, we could add more. But generally speaking, it does look good and pretty simple and pretty cool. Very simple to create an online blog with Shopify. You can create blogs on any type of website builder out there, so you don't have to worry about it. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to watch this next video, which is on Shopify website design tutorial. If you are interested in that, you can go ahead and watch that.